Hi guys, today I'm gonna share you one moment related to the super dump station when you jump into when you define some environment variable and then during code trying to check this variable it cannot. Somehow it cannot. You try to debug, you try to print out this variable, and you cannot do this. You can. This situation related to when you can't debug it step by step. For example, you try to make some Docker Compose environment, and you can print only some values. So in this case, one one super small utilities that already goes with standard Python package can help you. So let's jump in. For example, you have some env var like local sorry, env var local, and let's imagine you have some comparing string let's say local and I don't know, local. Okay, let's local env constant will be right value, and env var will be something like local like this. And during the code you need to compare these values, and something goes wrong and the values isn't the same. So how to check it? Super simple. You have to import diff lib. Oh, diff lib. Yes, and then print like oh, sorry. Diff is the list of diff lib and diff lib. Oh, diff lib, of course, and diff between these two values, and var and local, and yeah, that's it. Wow. Ah, okay, yeah, I forgot the f string. I forgot f string. Yeah. So the very first char of every item in this sequence will be like an action that you need to do to get rid of difference between these two objects. So this like LOCA, it's okay, and then you need to delete one. Yeah, one, and add the L at the end. So how we can see, this is sequence of operations that we need to do with the env var variable to make it the same as local env constant. That's it, guys. Thank you very much. I hope this helped to get rid of headache of when you debug your code. Bye.